cat. This cat right here is very cuckoo. She's weird. And she's crazy. She's a crazy cat. Why do I sound like Teddy from Bob's Burgers? I sounded like Teddy. Yeah, at least exactly. I mean, Bob. Bob.
Who's Teddy?
Teddy from Bob's Burgers.
Who's Teddy?
The fat one with the beard. With the little hat.
Oh. The guy in the restaurant.
Yes. In every episode, he goes like, "Hey Bob, can I have like a burger or something?" Yeah, why am I sounding like Teddy? Tilly's just going crazy. She's going crazy. She's a monster. That's why we named her Tilly Monster. She's a predator. She's a tiger. And I have a tiger. Oh. Crud. I dropped it. Loving this ring though. I'm scared to get that. What the? Hi Tilly. We're filming. We're filming. Do you not like that? No, Tilly. Tilly, we need you. Oh, she's ducking like a predator. She's ducking like a predator. Ducking donuts. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, she's still playing. She's going way too crazy. Whoop, whoop, whoop. As you can see, I'm a Pokemon fan. Yay, trucks. Who cares? That's a guy laughing. Watch this. Just me. I did it backwards. Did I do it backwards? Here. This might help. Here, you can mess with that. Gotta zip up myself. Well, anyway, guys, that's it for right now. If you enjoyed, like the video. I know my cat was crazy. Subscribe. And during the weekend, I will make, but on Friday, that's right, on Friday, I will make a game video. I do not know which. That's right, I don't know, not know. But try to guess something that's not on PS4 or any of the PSs or Xbox or the Xbox series. Probably maybe GameCube, Wii U, Wii, 3DS. I'm using my phone, so, or my tablet. So you guys can leave a comment down below to see that. But with that, guys, I will see you all next time. Bye! My cat's still there.